and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix YouTube not playing videos. Firstly, check your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. Now I'm going to turn it off. After this, tap on settings. After you tap on settings, tap on apps. Now tap on see all 183 apps. Now start searching YouTube. Scroll down. Now tap on YouTube. After you tap on YouTube, tap on storage and cache. After you tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. After this, search Play Store. Tap on Play Store. Now start typing YouTube. And if your YouTube app is not updated, tap on update. And what else can you do is search YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on your profile, tap on settings. Now after tapping on settings, you can sign out of your account and sign back in. If you still have any questions, comment down below.